If you are working as a senator, as a governor, senators and governors in Nigeria, especially senators and governors, if you are a governor, you are a senator. I am not talking about all of you, just the ones that are not doing what is right, governors and senators. If you know that you are among the people that have embezzled Nigerian money, if you are a governor or a senator, and you have one way or the other, you have stolen money in Nigeria, I tell you, resign now. Resign now. It's not only resign now and repent, ask for forgiveness. It is not only that. Don't take this for granted. Don't take this for granted. I am a prophet from God. I must tell you the truth. If you cannot believe me, or my words have come to you and come to you severally, watch. I do tell people and it do happen. It's not only resigning. Repent. You are going to be taken by surprise. All of you that have embezzled Nigerian money, buying cars of 140, 160 million, 200 million, changing tires of $200,000. Resign now. If you are found in public graft, resign now. Mark today's date. This thing is appearing today. Today you are seeing it online. Mark today's date. Mark today's date and today's month. Mark it. It will certainly come to pass. Resign now. To avoid embarrassment, resign now, because the thing that is greater than you will come. Resign now. It is not only you resigning, asking for forgiveness. Resign and leave the shores of Nigeria now. You have the money. Leave this country now, because you may be in danger. What I am seeing, it have not happened, but it will be. You will be in a great danger with your household. Your household will suffer. Resign now. Don't call it a joke. Resign now. If you are a senator in Nigeria, you are also a governor in Nigeria who have been found in graft or misappropriated public fund. Resign now, repent, and pack your things and leave Nigeria for some certain years. Let it be in the history. And when you are resigning, make it public, that the public will know that you have resigned, and their eyes will be off you. I saw something coming up, something very strong, something that is not formidable. Nobody can fight it. Nobody can stop it from happening. Make sure you heed to my instructions. If you don't, you will see what will happen. And when it will happen, you are going to see, yes, this was spoken. And it has happened. This is Wonderful Love, where we share love. Please make sure you subscribe. Share it across to people. And above all, make sure you follow in any place you are seeing us. Take good care of yourself. And God bless you.